Not going to keep you long today. We're going to just cook some garlic mushrooms in the air fryer. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in that bowl, you can see I've got some mushrooms. That's 250 grams of mushrooms, or one of those kind of blue container things, you know what I mean? Cut them up, fairly chunky-ish. What we're going to do is get some stuff in there and give it a mix. So we're going to add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, and sweet paprika. You can adjust that how you want. Heaped tablespoon of butter. A little bit of olive oil. Little squeeze of lemon. Not too much in there. And then a rough little mix. So I like to use these aluminium tin foil, or whatever you call it, containers to go into my air fryer, and that fits just nicely in there. And what that does is retains all the juices and the flavour, I think. So we've just placed that into the tray of the air fryer. That's going to go in 180 for 5 or 6 minutes. It's very simple and it's delicious. Okay, there you go, really beautiful. Now before we serve it, I'm just going to add a little bit of chopped parsley. Give that a mix. Job done. Super easy garlic mushrooms in the air fryer. Fantastic. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.